Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Today I'm going to show you a real quick tutorial on how I made the flowers on the cover of this beautiful day folio. They're sort of a stylized flower, but it's just a different way of using your stash to make embellishments. I made 3 flowers in different sizes. I added some buttons that I had put on some thread, and then I had just a flower punch, and I punched some red to go with the red of the flowers in there. And I also added some leaves. If you don't have a leaf die, you could easily just cut out a leaf shape and add that into it. So let's get started. I'll show you how I made these flowers. Okay, so to start, you'll need 8 circles of the same size. When you're learning how to do this, the bigger the better. So even if you have a 2-inch circle punch, do 8 circles in that. And if you have a lightweight paper as opposed to a thick cardstock, it'll make it easier just to practice with. Once you got it down, then you can go to the whatever you want to use. So I'm going to use this piece of plain pink paper to show you. We're going to just make lines. So to make the lines, we're going to fold it in half. I'm going to score it so I can see the lines. And then we're going to fold it in half again, exactly in half. So make sure these 2 score lines meet up. So hopefully you can see that real well. So do that with your pattern paper. And obviously double-sided paper is better. If you don't use double-sided paper, that's okay too. Sometimes the white makes just a nice, it adds to the design. So I'm folding that in half. And then we'll open it up. Okay, once you've gotten all of your 8 pieces folded in half, you're going to take one of the quadrants and fold it from here. I'm going to draw a line. So you're going to fold it here, making sure you go from corner to corner. And do the same on one adjoining side. Okay, easy enough, isn't it? Now turn it over, and here's the center line. You folded it so you know that's the center. So fold this edge of the paper to match to that center line. And then the opposite side, have it meet up as well. And do that with your other 8 pieces. I mean 7 pieces. Okay, once you've got all of those done, you can grab another piece of the designer paper. I'm just going to use this plain piece. Well, I'll use this one that's got the lines on it. So the lines are going to help you keep everything in check. So you've got 8. Well, you should have 8. There's 8. Now we have 8. I didn't have 8 before. All right, so I'm going to grab some liquid adhesive. And put some on one side of my. So you'll need 2 of your petals for each quarter. So I'll put 1 there, making sure it's lined up on the paper. And I want to make sure that the circle pieces are lined up as well. Oops, get in there, you. Two more. And there we go. Oops, this guy's not in good. I'm grabbing a hold of the 2 pieces to move them. There we go. And there's your flower. Isn't that pretty? So then go ahead, now that you've made the larger one, even that is pretty, don't you think? Go ahead and practice a couple of times and then make some smaller ones. Again, it's easier if the paper is lightweight paper, but use the pattern paper that you have and go from there. And then I made 3 flowers and added them along with a couple of red ones done with a flower punch. And that's all there is to making these flowers to decorate your mini albums or cards or whatever you want. Thanks so much for watching. Please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.